Since the end of World War I, Americans have paused each November to honor the men and women who stepped forward to serve our nation. Veterans Day invites us to remember the sacrifices made, the freedoms protected, and the quiet courage of those who wore the uniform. On a day when rain clouds darkened Indianapolis, the skies finally cleared, just as the Marian University community gathered. Flags snapped in the breeze, and for a moment, students, staff, and faculty paused together to honor the sacrifices and resilience of our nation's veterans.
I tried a couple of different universities before I landed at Marian.
Among those who spoke was Marian alumnus and U.S. veteran Andrew Stevenson, returning not as a student, but as someone shaped by his time here and by his time in the service.
Any chance I get the opportunity to give back is amazing. Marian University has provided me so much. Being able to come and speak, network, and interact with the students, faculty, and staff is just amazing. It's a way to say thank you for all that I was able to get while I was here at this university.
One time, a student came up to Sergeant Vance and said, "Hey, what does it feel like to be a hero?"
With hearts full of gratitude, the community thought of loved ones far from home, deployed overseas, and came together to write thank you notes tucked into care packages for Marines. What began as a campus gathering became something more tangible, a gesture of solidarity. For Toni Gearlds, Marian's Director of Military Affairs and a veteran himself, the day carries a particular weight, sewn into the university's values.
At Marian University, we're a Catholic Franciscan university, and we honor the sacrifice of those who have given so much. It's personally important to us to recognize our nation's veterans, to thank them for the contributions they give so that we can live in a free society.
On this day, and in this place, a commemoration, a reminder of how veterans continue to shape our community quietly, consistently, and with the same sense of service that carried them through their time in uniform. Marian University will gather again next year, and once more pause, not out of habit, but with gratitude, for those who served and those who still serve today.